Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what's inside of the printer, and you have to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and post the notification and link description below. Of this printer is HP 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 JetStep ink average 3545 source. So now see, we're gonna open this one first. This is not a secret, I would call. There's one more secret. First we'll open from this side. This is the full rejective. If the paper is jammed, we should pull like this and take it out. If the paper is jammed like some plain papers, if it is jammed, they will give in a hint, and we have to open this second bottom, and we'll open these both holders, and then the paper you will see off that it is stuck. Then take it and twice sleep. Then that's all. So now we'll close this. This is so many features. This will put papers. It has with free this. It can do like this. It will help to take the millimeters of this much inch. And now, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, notification and link on the description. That I put it in comments. That's how it was. It was real. It was super, or it was believable. Thank you.